Alright guys, I am back. This time Savannah is going to make a no-bake peanut butter pie. Okay, so for the ingredients, we're going to start with the Oreo crust, and you will need 1 package of double stuffed Oreos, 1/4 cup of mini M&ms, and 1/2 cup of unsalted sweet cream butter, melted. Alright, so start by blending your Oreos into little tiny pieces. Next, you're going to add your butter and your M&Ms and mix them in well. So we ended up putting it in this dish, and then we changed it over to the round one. But you're just going to flatten this down as much as you can to make it look like a pie, like so. And then you're gonna put that into the fridge for about an hour or so, just to harden it up. Next, we're gonna make the peanut butter filling. For this, we need 16 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1 cup of creamy and smooth peanut butter, 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, and 1/4 cup of mini M&Ms. You're going to start by taking your cream cheese and your peanut butter and combining those. Then you're going to add your Cool Whip and your M&Ms. Once that is all combined, you're going to add that into your pie plate. And she is struggling here to hold up the jar and pull out the stuff at the same time. To make the rich chocolate ganache, you need 1.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You need 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream and 1/4 cup of mini M&Ms. You're going to take your semi-sweet chocolate chips and your heavy whipping cream and mix that together. Put it in the microwave for a certain amount of time. Not sure, can't remember what that's supposed to be. Google that. And once that is melted and to your liking, you're going to pour that on the top of the pie. And then once that is glazed over to where you want it, you're going to sprinkle your mini M&Ms across the top. Once that is done, stick it back in the fridge for about an hour, I believe, until the ganache is hardened. So with her testing it, she gave it a 3 out of 5. It was not the best score. She did give it a little bit higher later on in the video, but I thought it was okay. I did not like the peanut butter filling in the inside. I thought that tasted a little funny. Maybe we did something wrong. I'm not sure. But it wasn't the best, in my opinion. Everything else was delicious. The crust and the ganache on top and the frosting, all that was really good. So that is all for now. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you liked it, hit that thumbs up button down below and subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I only post like once a year. No, I'm trying my really hardest to post videos, but I do have another channel that I'm working on as well. So that video is getting a little more of my attention right now, unfortunately, but I do have a few videos already recorded for this channel. I just haven't edited them. Takes a little more effort because I have to do the voiceover on them. But anyway, I'm still here, guys. I'm still here, I promise. All right, bye-bye.